So, very good evening, dear. This was your doubt regarding question we have given. We have given a liquid tank having a filled up to a height of 30 centimeter. A bulb is placed at the bottom. Here's a bulb. We have to find out the diameter of an opaque disc. Here we have an opaque disc. Diameter of this opaque disc we have to find out. Floating symmetrically, we have to find out diameter of opaque disc. So as we know, as there are a lot of rays coming out of this light bulb at a particular angle, this ray will start engraving the surface, and after this particular angle any ray falling over here will reflect back, because of we are already aware the phenomena of TIR. So entire ray will reflect back. So we have to find out the diameter of this disc over here. As we know, so we have given a refractive index is root 2. Refractive index of this liquid is root 2. If we will try to find out over here, there must be some angle of refraction here must be 90 degree. There must be some critical angle C, and here we must have some radius for this cone form over here. R is the radius, let us say. If we will look at this part, if this is C, then this angle will also be C, and this is C, then this angle will also be C, critical angle. So as we know, n is equal to 1 upon sine C from the condition of TIR. Therefore from here sine C turns out to be 1 upon n, and that n is already given 1 upon root 2. Therefore critical angle turns out to be sine C is equal to sine of, as we know, that is 45 degree. Therefore critical angle is 45 degree. So any ray which is incident over here, angle greater than this one's critical angle will reflect back or retrace its path, or we can say will reflect back into the denser medium. So we came to know this one part, that is 45 degree, and we are aware about this one depth which is 30 centimeter. So if you look at this part, we have a triangle form over here. So this is 30, this is 45 degree, this is 30 centimeter, and we have to find out this radius R. So from trigonometry we will say this one is perpendicular, this one is 90 degrees, this is hypotenuse, and this is our base. So we are already aware about base, we have to find out perpendicular, and we are aware about 45. So we will use here in triangle. So say in triangle OAB, in triangle OAB, tan C is equal to perpendicular upon base, that is AB upon OA. AB is R, OA is 30, and tan C critical angle is 45 degree. So we are aware R upon 30. So R turns out to be, that is tan 45 is 1. So R turns out to be 30 centimeter over here. If R is 30, therefore diameter of this disc will turns out to be, diameter of disc will be 30 into 2, which is 60 centimeter. This was our answer. So here the diameter is 60 centimeter. Thank you.